This is the Airtel 5G Smart Box, a game changer in home and office internet. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Just 3,500 monthly subscription and you're set. With internet speeds of up to 10 megabits per second and up to 64 connection devices. Look at the design, modern, compact, portable and fits anywhere, your living room, office or even on the go. But what makes it special? It's not just a 5G router, it has a built-in power bank. So if power goes out or you're traveling, your internet stays on. It also comes with Ethernet ports, giving you a fast, stable connection for smart TV, gaming console or computer. Perfect for streaming, gaming and video calls. And setting up, super easy. Just press the WPS button and devices connect instantly. No need for long passwords. This deal is unbeatable. The Airtel 5G Smart Box is free. Just 3,500 monthly to keep it running. Don't miss out. Call us today. Like, share and subscribe for more updates.